Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to easily add your location in X, updated, using your Android device. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open the X app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your profile picture located at the top left of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Tap Profile. You will see your profile information displayed on this page. Step 4. Tap Edit Profile. This will allow you to make changes to your profile details. Step 5. Tap Location. Look for the location field, usually located below your profile picture or bio. Tapping on it will activate the text input. Step 6. Add your location. Use the keyboard to type in your desired location. Once you're done, tap Save at the top right of the screen to apply the changes. And there you have it. You have successfully added your location to your X profile. This will help others connect with you and discover shared interests based on your location. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and guides. Thank you for watching.